Hello friends, I film at the most obscene times, but it is currently 1:18 in the morning. I am vlogging. Hello, I have not been on YouTube in a hot minute, so make sure to subscribe down below, like this video, and turn that bell notification on. Okay, you guys, so it's 1:21 in the morning. We have a lot to catch up on. I have not been on YouTube in literally forever. Let me check and see when I uploaded my last video, because I have no idea when that was. Let me see here. So I uploaded my last short 8 days ago, but my last actual video was on June 4th. You guys, it is July 21st. Hello, I'm back for another video. Okay, so I wanted to share with you guys my junk journaling stuff because, like, honestly, my desk is an absolute disaster and I need to clean it up, especially my whole room in general, because like my desk, I have a passion for Dollar Tree, and they have a lot of good things like every time I go in there, so I can't help but get some stuff. So we're just gonna kind of be like decluttering, organizing, doing some stuff in this vlog. I also started a medical assistant online certificate program, so I was doing some of that homework as well. We're just gonna do some junk journaling stuff, go through our stuff, and I'm really excited, so let's get into it. So I actually got these little like boxes like this, like these little crayon boxes from the Dollar Tree, and I have 3 of them. Oh my gosh, I gotta like get these glasses out of the way. Hang on. Okay. So I got these little like crayon boxes from the Dollar Tree. That's the second one. And then here is the third one. And I have 3 of them right here. And I've been putting like my stickers and my ribbon and different things in them, but I'm gonna kind of share with you guys what I have in them right now. This one is actually a new one. I've been constantly getting them, and honestly, Dollar Tree's organization supplies are so good because they're $1.25 for 1, and 2, you can get them a lot cheaper there, where if you go other places and you get the same exact thing, it's going to be more expensive. So why wouldn't you get it at the Dollar Tree is what I'm saying. But this one, I actually came up with the Halloween stuff, so I just put like all of my Halloween ribbons in here. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with these ribbons yet, but we will figure something out for sure. We might make a wreath. I also have these like fall ones, and as well as these like plaid ones. I don't really know what I'm planning on doing with these like fall and Halloween inspired ribbons, but we will of course figure something out. And then for all of my stickers, I've actually gotten the majority of my junk journaling stickers and junk journaling supplies from Temu. So this one is not very full of stickers, but it's got more like aesthetic stickers and like feminism. What is that? You are worth it. No, you are worth it. Just like different like stickers, ideas. These are like more like, oh my gosh, okay. These are more like pretty colorful stickers in this one. And then in here, in this one, it's kind of full. It's got these, which these are so good. These are like border stickers, like these like border like things. I got these from the Dollar Tree, and let me tell you guys, like, these are so cute. They do make your page a little bit bulky because they are like rhinestones and pearls, and as you can see, they kind of like stick out, but they look so good in a journal spread. And then in this, we have a bunch more stickers. I have so many stickers, you guys, it's actually insane. But I have some like fall ones, or some Halloween ones, some bad witch vibes, but then I also have some like cute like pink inspired ones. So like I have like this one, it's so dark from where you're looking. And I have these, like they're just like a bunch of different kinds of stickers all in one. I'm telling you guys, I have a crap ton of stickers, and this is not all of them, so we're gonna keep going. Okay, we're like actually just gonna like organize this whole section and we're gonna like figure out like everything, because like I have to have this like whole new system in place, because like honestly we have junk journaling supplies and craft supplies and just everything all over the place. So we're gonna figure something out, but we need to figure it out fast, because like what is going on. So right now what I'm gonna do is move everything to my bed first, and we're gonna go through it then. Alright, you guys, my bed is an absolute mess. Hi, Lucy. Hello, sweet girl. But I have all of my junk journaling supplies on my bed. I have completely cleared off my dresser or my desk, except for my gaming supplies, my speaker, laptop, and my printer. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna wipe it down, because clearly there is so much dirt and dust on my desk. And then you know what, we might actually also go through this stuff right here as well. And then no, because that's like over here to the side, so we won't worry about that right now, but we will worry about all the desk stuff, because like it's stuff goes on the desk. So yeah. So we have a whole bunch of junk journaling stuff. I don't even know what to do with it. My dog is staring at me like, what the fuck are you doing? Okay, first things first. I don't know, because this is very stressful with all of these supplies. Well, okay, so we're actually going to just go through everything one by one. This is my current journal, and these pens right here are actually from like the Dollar Tree, and they're so good. This is a Zebra Z-Grip. It's a ballpoint pen, and I'm obsessed with these pens. I just opened this one and I love it. So we're gonna set this to the side, and then we're just gonna kind of like go through all my supplies and see like what I want to organize and how I want to organize it. Some things are already in like containers and such, so they're already pretty much organized, but we're gonna like see what's going on. Okay, I know that this cute little basket was from the Easter collection at Dollar Tree as well, and I have some like more craft supplies that I got from Temu as well. I have this little phone stand that I got from TikTok Shop, this like white glue, which is also from the Dollar Tree, sticky notes, ink pads, more like pens and highlighters and zebra liners and such. And I'm not even gonna lie, like these little like these ink pads from Dollar Tree, they're not very good. They're not very good at all, but they do the job. I also have like some ibuprofen, because that's like an essential whenever you get headaches. Oh my gosh. I'll put that in my nightstand. And then I also have like random chargers and random little AirPods that are loose. Yeah, this is a mess. This is an absolute mess. So we're just gonna organize it, and then I'll share with you guys how it looks once it's done. This is kind of what we're working with. I just like stacked it all together because it's a little bit more organized. I mainly wanted to like wipe down the desk because it was so dusty, but now that we have everything organized in like bins, this thing right here, I clipped my ring light, or like my filming light, and then I have some more like essential oils in here, put my stapler up here, an ink pad, my mics and such. And then like in the drawers, I have like all my like washi tapes and like more stickers up at the top, more ribbons. Second drawer is a bunch of stickers, some cute little cards, some pens, highlighters. And then the bottom is like a lot of cardstock paper, more stickers, like cards that you can like make like notes for. I got all of this stuff from Temu. The container was from TJ Maxx, so I'm really happy. But all of this stuff is all from Temu, except some of the stuff on the top. But like most of the craft supplies are from Temu, and I'm actually obsessed with all of them.